Can I talk about osteoarthritis? I can. It's actually one of the top leading causes of disability in the world. Neurological conditions take the cake for number one, but let's take a look at some osteoarthritis. Behind me here we can see a healthy joint. Here we can see the bone. This is actually the femur. So this is the femur. This is articular cartilage, which is hyaline cartilage that covers the bone and makes the joint sort of like slippery in nature. That little space there you can see is the joint space. And then this here is the acetabulum, which is made up of the coxal bone, the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. Right now in osteoarthritis, what you have is what we can see down here. This is going to be a breakdown of the cartilage, right? And here we have breakdown of the cartilage exposing the bone. And then you can also see here, you have a decrease in that joint space. So if you look up here, that joint space is kind of wide. Down here, that joint space is diminished. Now, when you have that diminished joint space, what's happening is the bone is actually going to make contact with bone. And that's further going to promote damage to this bone. So osteoarthritis is the breakdown of that bone. And when that tissue becomes damaged, there is a little capsule that surrounds this joint space known as the synovial capsule, or some people refer to it as the synovium. And when that damage starts to occur, that synovium becomes inflamed as the inflammatory response starts to deal with that damage. And so that's where we get the inflammation from. So osteoarthritis is the basically inflammation of the joint due to the breakdown of bone and the articular cartilage. Now you know. Later.